Hello and welcome. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share a file with Google Drive. So as you can see here, I'm logged into my Google Drive account on the web. I've simply opened up my web browser on my computer and I've typed in drive.google.com and I'm logged into my Google Drive account. You should see something fairly similar with the list of all of your different folders as the first thing that you see. So I've drilled down into a folder to find a picture that I want to share. So let's say it's this picture here. And what I can do is right click on that picture and I can click on Get Link. Once I've right clicked on the picture and then I've left clicked on Get Link, it'll show me a prompt with a couple of options. And one of the options that it shows you first is restricted. And it gives you a little bit of a bubble here to show you some options associated with restricted. So just click got it. And it says restricted, only people added can open with this link. So we actually don't want that. We want to make sure that we don't restrict the link because we want to make sure that we can share the link, especially if you're sending this to us over here at Set My Site. We're going to have multiple designers and developers working on your project. So we want to make sure that the link isn't restricted to specific email accounts. So we're going to click on restricted and we're going to click on anyone with the link. So that's the box we're going to check. So then it says permissions updated and viewers of this file can see comments and suggestions. Anyone on the internet with this link can view it. So that is what we want. So make sure that you choose anyone with the link before you copy your link over. Now that I have that selected, I can click on this copy link button and it says link copied, which is great. So if I go into my web browser and I paste in that link and I click enter, I should be able to see that picture that I've just shared. I've created that link. Anybody with that link will now be able to see that picture and download that picture. So that's exactly what I wanted. Really easy to do. Now there's also another way to share with your Google Drive, and I'll show you this way as well. So what I'm going to do here is open up Google Drive on my desktop. Now Google offers a desktop version of Google Drive so that you can drag and drop folders and files from your computer into your shared Google Drive folders. So as you can see here, I've got Windows open and I have my Google Drive right here. I've opened up my folder that contains the image that I want to share. And so all I need to do in order to share the image, it's going to be very similar to what we just did on the web browser. It's just a little different on Windows. So I'll locate the image I want to share. I'll right click and then I will look for this Google Drive option. There's an option that pops up that says share. Click on share. And it's just taking a moment here on my computer because I've got a million programs running at the same time. So your patience is appreciated. And then you'll see this little prompt pop up once you've clicked on share. And what you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the prompt and make sure that it says get link. Anyone on the internet can view this link. And that's actually what we want. We want it to say anyone on the internet can view this link. And the reason why that's already selected is because I'm using the same file that I've already shared in that previous example. So actually just for demonstration's sake, let me use a different file. Let's see if it had a little bit of a different layout with that prompt. So I'll right click, go to Google Drive, go to share. Here's the prompt that pops up. We'll scroll down. And okay, so this one says restricted because I haven't modified the default sharing default sharing option here. So it says get link restricted, only people added can open this link. We want to change that again, like in the previous example, change to anyone with a link. And it looks exactly the same as in that previous example. And all we need to do now is make sure that anyone with the link is selected, which it is now. And we do need to copy that link here. So I'll click here. I don't know, for some reason on my computer, this bubble won't go away. But here's the link right here. You can see it. All I got to do now is grab that link. I'll just right click and copy it. And that will be the link to the file that I'm going to be sending. So that is how to share files via Google Drive. You can also do this with folders. So in the instance that you have a folder with multiple images that you want to share, that would be really ideal. Let's say I wanted to share this entire folder with someone. All I need to do here is right click on the folder, and the same process in order to share. So I'll click on get link. It will load up, and then by default it is restricted. We want to change that to anyone with a link, and then copy the link. That will give us access to everything in that folder. So that is how you do it. I hope that this has been helpful, and thanks for watching.